The Celtic heart of North America is Cape Breton, and the heartbeat is strong here at the Gaelic College. I honestly don't know of another institution that enriches the lives of the people that come to it, students that come to it, more than this place does. Intellectually, culturally, musically, always. It's an amazing place for bonding, especially for younger kids, and the older folks too are hugging and close to tears when they have to go. We offer classes here in a lot of different disciplines, harp, fiddle, piping, dancing, Gaelic language and song. The classes offered here have a worldwide effect. There are students from everywhere, from every continent coming here. And they take home what they learn here, and it spreads. The classes are fun. Yeah, like we do learn. We learn a lot. And it's all in a very educational but very fun atmosphere. I don't think there is a single instructor that is here primarily for the money. We're here because we love this and we want to pass it on. You get questions on just about every possible subject, but a lot of it has to do with where did I come from, what's my real Gaelic name, what's my ancestry. I think there's something in us that is more attuned to the music, to the arts, to sensual perceptions. In English culture, you're taught to stay away from all that is the province of the special few, whereas I think the Gaels understand that no, it's your birthright. This belongs to you. Right now, people get together and sing songs, and we do it in the old milling format where you rhythmically beat the cloth to the table. In a milling song, you're working, and the song is there to help you work. So the beat is all important. And for the visitor, it's a glimpse into the life and into the music and into the voices that you won't hear anywhere else. When you hear, for example, of people that have been told they can't sing, told in their childhood that they can't sing, and then they come here and they sing. Yeah, that's great. Where do you feel the Celtic heart of North America beating strongly?